Welcome to Pello Fishing News. Pello in Lapland is the Finland's fishing capital. Salmon fishing with rod equipment in Tornio River started the 1st of June and the season continues until the end of August. Until now, the salmon fishing summer 2016 has been excellent in Pello. In particular, the numbers of the large salmon have been very impressive. We have counted for several salmon of over 20 kilos. This summer already over 90,000 salmon have been migrating in the Tornio River. We might beat all the records. The previous record dates from 2014 when totally around 100,000 migrating salmon were counted between May and August in Kattilakoski Rapid in Pello. Here you can see some images from Kattilakoski. So, this summer you still have several weeks to fish in the unique salmon river Tornionjoki. August is a very nice period for fishing and the days are still long. Please find more information about fishing and tourism in travelpello.fi website. When we talk about fishing in Lapland, we shall not forget the unique lakes of Pello. There are tens of great lakes in our area where you can fish, for example, northern pike, European perch or zander. So, now at the end of this second Pello fishing news, we would like to show you some images taken in July in the Lake Miekojärvi, where we were fishing with the brand new fishing boat of the fisherman Jouko Sirkkala. The Lake Miekojärvi is also called the Pearl of the Arctic Circle, since the Arctic Circle line runs through the lake. Miekojärvi has a surface of over 53 square kilometers. My dear friends, on the behalf of the people of Lapland, welcome to Pello, the fishing capital of Finland.